Okay, we're going into Facebook and we're going to boost a post. So let's share the screen. Let's go to Facebook. And here we are. And let's take this post right here, just for this example, boost post. Boom. Okay. So first thing you have to do is we have to, we want to we can change what we want to happen. We want to get messages. We want to have people see the video. This is a video, get leads, okay? Or calls. Want people to call you, or you want to get leads to come in. Let's get people to call us. How's that? All right. Because the way I usually have it, I want people to go to our website. So that's what I have it, but I changed it. Okay. Next, we have to go to one error found. Where is the... Whenever I demonstrate something, it always goes wrong. Okay, so the call now button, we found one error. What's the error? Age is too low for this, minimum age is 18. Where's the special ad? Here we go. Special ad category. We have to do special ad category that it's housing. Otherwise, it gets rejected. And the reason that it's housing is because it's 18 till unlimited age and male or female. You can't pick gender. Where if you were selling men's sneakers, you don't want to sell to everybody, you want to target men. And if you were selling like candy, you want to target children. Here we have no choice. So that's it. So next part is the audience, where we can't decide who the audience is. We could certainly decide where. So right now we are doing a circle around 120 White Plains Road. But in your particular case, on that one, you want to put in, where are we, in Brooklyn?
Bronx.
Bronx.
It's 33.
Bronx, New York. Boom. Okay, big circle. Look at that. Big circle around the Bronx. And we are going to, these are some hashtags of people that are going to look and save the audience.
Okay.
So now our audience is, we could get rid of Tarrytown. Don't used to wasting Tarrytown, because nobody in Tarrytown is going to go down there. So get rid of that. Okay, just Bronx. Leaving?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can also put some other interest in there. We don't need office space. We need, well, actually the video that I have, it's taken the hashtags from my video, but you would put in townhouse. You could put in townhouse in the real estate category. So townhouse. It's contradictory to what my particular
No, I mean,
ad is, but you can put any keywords that somebody might be saying. Somebody says, I'm looking for a townhouse in the Bronx. Bam, your phone just listened. It's going to get this.
wow.
It's going to put it in front of them. All right. So that's really what we want. We're going to save the audience. And now it's going to give us, starting today, for the next 7 days, we're going to spend $56, or we can spend $30 for 7 days. We can spend $25 for 7 days. No matter what you do, it's going to tell you for $25, which is 25 divided by 7 is less than, it's like $6. It's 6 something a day. You're going to reach 1,500 people in that target area.
So if we make another open house, we can boost it for like a week in the
For a whole week in advance, right?
Yeah.
That there's an open house the next week, make a nice looking ad and then put it out there. And for $25, you want to spend $50. That's why this is way better, more efficient than spending it on Zillow, because Zillow is just waste of money. If you were to spend $50 a week or even $30 a week boosting some of these listings that we have, is way better target audience than putting it on Zillow, because Zillow is useless. All right, so this is going to go till February 8th if we did put it, and then you put your credit card in, hit add, and it's going to reach a day between 500 and 1,500 people a day for $25. You want to spend $500, it's going to reach 28,000 people, right? So your budget is somewhere in between 0 and 20 and $500, and you can decide how many people want to see it. And it certainly is good to do. All right.
So we're gonna do it for the open house.
Yeah, do it for the open house, and this is the ad. That's why it was, those hashtags are different because I'm showing something else in here. That's for sure that's how you run an ad. Okay, hit submit. They just look at it. Somebody, I guess, because it's special housing, they make sure there's no fair housing violations in the language or anything in the picture, and then they'll approve it usually in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Where's my stop recording?